Schedule maintenance work orders and assign technicians efficiently. Maintenance management begins in the job card dashboard, the central hub for tracking operational health and asset uptime. The maintenance menu provides access to preventive scheduling and unassigned task management. Scheduled work orders organize recurring maintenance to ensure long-term equipment reliability. Work title defines the specific maintenance task to be performed on the asset. Location identifies the specific site where the maintenance activity occurs. Department name assigns accountability to the relevant technical team. Asset selection links the maintenance schedule to a specific piece of machinery. Procedure provides the standardized checklist for technicians to follow during execution. Start date establishes the commencement point for the initial maintenance cycle. Start time determines the exact hour the technician begins the work. End time sets the expected completion window for the maintenance task. Technician start time coordinates the specific labor hours for the assigned staff. Technician end time ensures labor tracking aligns with the total duration of the job. Priority ranks the task urgency to help managers balance the daily workload. Work order type distinguishes between internal labor and external vendor services. Assign technician opens the resource calendar to check for personnel availability and skill sets. Selecting a technician commits the resource to the specified time slot on the schedule. Special remarks communicate critical technical instructions or safety requirements to the field staff. Frequency determines how often the system automatically generates a new work order. Repeat month allows for precise seasonal scheduling across multiple months throughout the year. End schedule date defines when the recurring maintenance cycle should eventually expire. Setting a calendar date enforces a hard stop on automated task generation. Completion of previous work order prevents overlapping tasks by waiting for the prior job to close. Create work order in advance generates documentation early to allow for better parts planning. Work order parts lists the specific components required to complete the maintenance procedure. Description provides a narrative summary of the task for historical auditing and reporting. Saving the record validates the schedule and triggers the automated maintenance workflow. The system confirms the successful creation of the new preventive maintenance schedule. Actions menu allows managers to hold, suspend, or view specific details of existing schedules. Unassigned work orders capture pending tasks that require immediate resource allocation. The list view provides a high-level summary of priority, due dates, and asset status. Quick assigning a technician to unassigned tasks ensures that no maintenance requirements are overlooked. This workflow optimizes asset longevity by automating recurring tasks and ensuring every maintenance requirement is assigned. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.